I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious ramen. We'll start by crafting a deeply flavorful broth, which is truly the heart of any great ramen bowl. You'll want to simmer aromatics such as fresh ginger, garlic cloves, and green onions to build a robust base. Don't forget to include dried shiitake mushrooms and a piece of kombu seaweed. These ingredients are essential for adding that incredible umami depth to your broth. This initial step sets the stage for an unforgettable meal. Next, let's talk about the noodles and essential toppings that elevate your ramen. Choose either fresh or dried ramen noodles, cooking them precisely until they are al dente, offering a pleasant chew. A must-have topping is the soft-boiled egg with its rich, jammy yolk. For protein, consider thinly sliced, tender chashu pork or perhaps some pan-fried chicken breast. These elements add texture, flavor, and substance to your bowl, making each bite satisfying and complete. Now comes the exciting part, assembling your perfect ramen bowl. A crucial tip is to warm your serving bowls beforehand. This simple step helps keep your delicious broth hot for longer. First, gently place your perfectly cooked ramen noodles into the warmed bowl. Then, with care, ladle the steaming, flavorful broth over the noodles, ensuring they are fully submerged. This careful layering creates a beautiful and inviting presentation, ready for your chosen toppings. Finally, it's time to customize and enjoy your culinary creation. Don't hesitate to experiment with various tare, which is a concentrated seasoning, to discover unique flavor profiles that suit your palate. Garnish your bowl with fresh, thinly sliced scallions, a sheet of crispy nori seaweed, and perhaps a drizzle of aromatic chili oil for an extra kick. Remember to savor your homemade ramen immediately. This ensures you experience the best possible taste and texture. Enjoy every delicious spoonful.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.